driver, buddy. Aim towards the end of the island there. Aim towards that point right there. There you go. You twist the throttle. But I don't know if you can do it. There you go. Whoa, you slowed us way down. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No, don't do it. I don't think you're ready for that yet. I know I'm not. Twist it just a little bitty bit till you get it where you want it, but do it real easy because it'll take off too fast, like you did right then. You about threw us out of the boat.
I just want to go so we can see everything.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. If you keep us a little bit closer into the shore, we can see more stuff. Tell you what, turn us around and we'll go back the way we came and I'll show you some more neat spots. Turn this way. Turn this way. There you go. That's a good job. See, it's a lot quieter, isn't it, when you run slow? I've got an electric motor we can put on here that doesn't make any noise at all. We'll use it when we go fishing. We can stick it on the front.
What?
I said we can stick it on the front. It runs off a big battery, like a big car battery. It doesn't make any noise at all. It doesn't go very fast, though.
I like this one.
You like this one? You like going this fast? Get us back in closer to the bank. Get us back in closer to the bank. Straighten up.
Now we're going that way.
Yep.
Daddy,
What?
I can't see where I'm going.
Okay, I'll get the force so you can see.